So let's look at how I see game design. And it's good to look at game design in accordance to level design. For me, the elements of game design are play voluntarily, the game has a goal, gameplay with a goal. That's all a series of interesting choices, right? It could be a toy, and you have an interaction with an object. It could be also game design for, and a puzzle, a narrative, events connected to a theme. That could be also within the game design. So to look at it on this perspective. A story, a flow of events ordered to create an emotional outcome. So these are all aspects coming into play within game design. So what is game design in my perspective? Game design is the craft of designing experiences that will evoke a specific emotional response. So it's very important for me, the emotional response. Every work and also every thing I teach in user experience design, interaction design, level design, the concepts we make, anything, all those things are meant for emotional response and also for immersion into this aspect that you created. Actually to get a person connected or identified with your work and therefore being more touched by your work. So what is level design? So let's get that clear for how I see that. Level design is the application of game design. So you have the game design, and the level is the application of it. Level design is the activity of designing and building experiences with a specific emotional response for games. So again, the emotional response is very important here. And we'll get into that a little bit further on, how you can think of this and these emotional responses and how you can make a storyboard, for example, and translate that to your levels. Level design is the creation of engaging, challenging and interesting moments by using stories, mechanics and systems. Again, these moments that are engaging have an emotional response and have you immersed in the level and in a play flow. Alright, so level design, you can have a theme or level concept, an enemy design, obstacle design, puzzle design, enemy placement, obstacle placements. These are all aspects of level design and not only environmental design. So a lot of people think of level design like, oh, these nice levels, epic sceneries. Yeah, of course, that's also the case, but it's also where you place stuff and how the floor map is looking and so forth. So what is good level design? Good level design reduces the amount of tutorials, balance between different in scale and different in kind. We'll talk to that later, after this. It's driven by core mechanics and it's creating opportunities for the player to make an interesting choice that results in an engaging moment. So let's talk about balance in scale, difference in scale and the difference in kind.